Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I'm going to do a DIY that I mentioned to you guys earlier today where I am preparing for my summer tablescape and my home overall. So I am going to do a beach theme and a blue theme. I'm excited, really excited about doing this. So I hauled these from the Goodwill. Let's see if I still have the price. And it is $5. This was $5.98. I don't think you'll be able to see it, but it's very pale. $5.98. And this one was $3.98 as well. So I thought that was an excellent deal because I want to use, I can't get the sticker off. I want to use them as far as my tablescape or even on my entryway. So I'm not quite sure yet where I'm going with that, but it's going to be, like I said, a beach theme for my summer home decor this year. So I want to take it out and I want to spray paint it white first to start, and then I'm going to do a blue and teal theme on this. Alright, so I'm going to do that, come back in and show you what it looks like. Alright. Okay guys, so now I've finished painted both the cylinder. I don't know if you can see it. I've got hints of a light green and teal and navy blue. So I don't want it to stand out too much. I just wanted it to be really pale. So I wanted the dark blue to be dominant of all the colors. So I think it turned out really well. I love the way it looks. I'm not sure if this camera is doing justice to the way it looks in person, but I absolutely love the way it turned out. So now, I don't know if you guys remember, I hauled these from the Dollar Tree, this yarn. And so I want to see if I can find, there we go. I want to dress this up a bit because like I mentioned earlier, I want it to be a beach theme that I'm doing at home. And I want to incorporate this, it looks like a rope, but it's much nicer. It's not as rustic. So I'm thinking using the yarn would be really good. I also found, I keep saying sorry guys. I hauled this from Michael's and they are 3 on a pack. And I don't know if the price is there. I want to say that they're $5.99. Okay, so I am going to clip this because I only want the gold part. And I still want to keep these beads because, you know, you never know what I may need it for. So let's not waste anything. And I'm only going to take the gold. And what is really nice about this as well is that the gold is in the fabric as well. I'm not quite sure how I want to do this. If I want to do it at the top and glue this down, or I want to do it more at the bottom. I think I like the top much better. I don't know if you guys can see that. So let's go ahead and secure the back. Place the glue down and attach the yarn to the back so it sticks. do think I want to twist this around a bit, and I may have to secure it with some of the glue. Don't know if I want to use the one or I want to keep it separate. Let me know, guys, what you would have done if you would just leave it loose. I can cut this. I guess we could do that. It's no problem. Let's do that. Let's leave it loose. So I'm going to go ahead and cross this. Cross both yarn. And then place a dab of glue on the top of the yarn. And I think I like the way that looks. Okay, let me secure the bottom of this so I can cut it. Gonna let that be for now. It's not gonna be straight. Just want to get a measurement. So guys, this is the way it looks. Got to straighten it out a bit once it's dry. It's not fully dry. But this is how it's going to look. I'm going to go ahead and get started on the other one and come back and show you what the finished product looks like. So guys, this is how it turned out. I am loving it. I think it will be fabulous on my entryway table or on the dining room table. This is a beach theme. I really like the way it turned out. I hope you do too. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Leave me a message. Let me know what your thoughts are. Like I mentioned, I hauled these from the Goodwill. Just decided to add 3 coats of paint, the teal, the navy blue, and a lime green, just to have a hint of color and not just straight blue. Add some yarn, and because it's a little bit nicer, it has a little hint of gold in it. It's a little bit nicer than just the rope or twine. So I really like that. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to be able to share with you guys what the overall beach theme looks like. Alright, thank you and have a good night. I will see you tomorrow on my next DIY. Don't forget, if you're not a subscriber, I hope you'll hit the subscribe button, become a part of our family.